When I looked around for the right franchise for myself, once I decided that the cleaning industry, because it's a very resilient industry, was what I wanted to go into, I met with several franchisors. But when I came to Green Machine, in fact my first contact with Green Machine, it was excellent straight away. I kind of knew that it was going to be the business for me to join.
I think the reason why we picked Green Machine, first initial thought was because we've seen Jerome and Michelle there. We did a bit of research about the company. We've seen how close, tight-knit the company was, how it was run with Jerome and Michelle and them two obviously being partners. Obviously Mandit being brothers as well. It's something that obviously combined our values and thoughts together, and we thought it could make a perfect work relationship.
I would recommend Green Machine as a franchisor. And being a franchisee, if you've got an appetite for having your own business and you want a company which has good branding, operational support and good guidance, and to be treated as an individual, then for all those reasons I would recommend that Green Machine can help you get to your goals.
I think the main point is finding a business that's extremely successful and growing in the right direction, as in Green Machine. Then it comes down to your business mentor. We're quite lucky, we've got Jerome.
Yep.
So I think having the right person to give you the guidance and support that you need in order for you to have a successful business is extremely important.
Yep.
It's the right franchise for me, and if there's any franchisee that wanted to do any cleaning business, I would recommend Green Machine to be their franchisor. You know, they do provide very good training. They do provide good support. I feel like I'm part of a family. You know, it's a very family-run business. I feel like I'm one of them now.
I think people, it depends on what they want to do, what sort of business they want, and if they have got families or if they want to go in a partnership like myself and my brother, then we obviously look for a franchise where it did come from a family background, because we are a family ourselves. So if you are thinking about doing that, then try to find someone that shares the same values of yourself.
I think due to the fact that we are brothers, I think the most important thing is not fail each other at this. So I think sometimes when it is a family-run business, your work ethic is always much greater as in what it would be in any other circumstance. And I think that's simply down to the fact that we are family, and it's all about supporting each other and getting through, you know, the ups and, you know, the downs in life, because, you know, business isn't all, you know, fantastic and great and on the up. You know, sometimes, you know, you face obstacles.
You've got to carry each other.
The Green Machine team, they are a fun bunch. They have a good sense of humour. They are professional, of course, and they know their stuff inside out. I mean, their knowledge is second to none. You've got the core team, which are the more senior team. They've been doing this for years and years, and they've got a lot of knowledge behind them, which is there for you to use. But at the same time, you can have a laugh with them, and also it's good to be able to have people to bounce off, especially in business, because business is tough sometimes. Very good training package. We had 2 weeks with Green Machine at the head office. We went through various processes. We visited one of their live sites. We actually did some cleaning on site, which was it's a great way to learn.
We've learned a hell of a lot from our obviously business, you know, mentor, which is Jerome. His expertise, his strategies are clearly a proven success. We've taken a lot of positive points away from us within these 2 weeks. We did a few audits with Kurt, a lovely chap. He talked us through everything that we need to know. He pointed out key factors to look out for, some trip ups and falls that we may have along the way as well.
I think it was more of an eye-opener for Mandit, because he's not really got much experience within the cleaning industry, so I think he's obviously taken away a lot more. Because I've done audits and, you know, I do cleaning and stuff for a living, I've got that experience, I sort of know what to look for. But someone that's coming in very green, you might not know where to look, and, you know, there's certain spots like moving bins and looking at skating boards and just little things like that. Mandit cleaned his first toilet as well. First of many, hopefully. But yeah, it was a good experience to see him obviously get stuck in and, you know, have that hunger in him.
Oh, well, happy with him myself, if I must say. Guys, if you want your toilet cleaning, I'm your man.
We went through the financial aspects, the marketing aspects, the operational aspects, and that was done thoroughly throughout those 2 weeks of training. Following on from that, once you get going and you're live on the ground, you've got the support there. So if I need to phone somebody, I know that there's somebody in operations, there's somebody in HR, there's somebody in all aspects of the business which is on hand for me to talk to. That's just vital, because you're going to come up against these day-to-day issues when you're running a business, and having that experience behind you, it's just going to stop you from making mistakes, which can be costly in lots of ways.
I'm really glad that I gained a lot of knowledge in that training. Jerome and Michelle will help me to lead a successful business.
On the back of Michelle and Jerome, we wouldn't be sat here. We wouldn't have this fantastic opportunity today to leave here and go away and have all the right dynamics to grow our business. As long as we work hard and honesty and looking after each other and everyone else within our circle, the franchise family, I do believe we will be very successful, and we can take that back then to our city where we come from and emphasize them same beliefs and that same structure into our own people, our own business, give jobs out there for people, provide a fantastic service for our clients. Hopefully be able to tell our mother she doesn't have to work again.
Hopefully. It's either that or we need to go home and say, right, Mum, you work for us now.
Being part of Green Machine has given me the structure in order to set the business up. It's also given me the support in regards to operations, marketing, and also hiring people as well, and importantly, getting in front of clients. Green Machine's enabled me to do that and get off to a good start.
I'm really looking forward for my London franchise to grow bigger and bigger. I feel very optimistic. I think Green Machine is the one for me, and I'm really happy to invest. Jerome and Michelle will help me to have a successful business with Green Machine.